Hello everyone, I am Dinesh Garg. Today I am going to discuss about the conservation of water, and I will go with the slogan save water, save life. And all we know that it is true 70% of earth is water, but only 3% is fresh water in that 70%. And a bitter truth is that one in of the 3% facing the problem to get the fresh water for drink. And now we will discuss with how we save the water, how we conserve the water. And the first point is sort the shower. If we take the shower approx 10 minutes and we cut it for 5 minutes, then we get no impact on us for this by this activity. But these 5 minutes get provide the fresh water to drink for two families because we save the 50 liters of the water per day. And the other second point is the fixed leaks. We saw many times that in our house and in office and schools the this problem the dripping facades, and we can save the 3000 liter water per year by fixing of these leaks. So we have to fix the leaks. And the third point is reuse the water. Can we reuse the water? Yes, we can reuse the water. I give the example how we can reuse the water. The example is that when we wash our vegetables and fruits, then we use the dripping tap. We drip the tap and we are washing our vegetables. No, this is not a good idea. We can use we can use a bowl or a bucket to wash our vegetables, and the water by which we can wash the vegetable, we use that water for rinsing the plants. These 3 points for indoor activity. And now I have the 3 points of outdoor water system. And one is water at dusk and dawn. This is a proven method to It's a proven method to conserve the water, because when we rinse the water to our plants at the time of dusk and dawn, and we can definitely save the water. And then now the second point is install drip irrigation. This is also a point. By this we can save the water. Commonly we use the sprinklers to garden our plants, but now if we start the drip system, then drip system, it is not it not should be not harmful for our plants, because we give the water our plant in the roots by dripping system. So we can save also water by the dripping system. And now the last point is collect rainwater. We can collect rainwater in our garden, in our park, by installing a barrel. And by installing a barrel, when we can collect in the rainy season. This point is also that we can collect the rainwater for our plants. And now if and now if we will go by this statement every drop counts, then we have a calculated data that 20,000 liter 20,000 liter, we can save 20,000 liter of water every year for the by using the sorting of showers. And also 3,000 liter water by the fixing of dripping taps. And also the 50% of less garden water by the drip irrigation. This is the calculated data by above points. And this is not done by the ignoring of these points. We have to start from today. That is general activities. Turn off the tap, take the shower under 5 minutes, and fix all leaks every week, within a week. And water garden dusk and dawn, install the rainwater collection. And that's it. Thank you so much.